Hello everyone, I am CA Pooja Shahane and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about very interesting course which is also one of the highly paid course, that is Financial Risk Manager FRM. I am going to tell you every detail about course. You will find answers to all the questions in a single video. So without further wasting time, let's get started. What does FRM do? First of all, understand what is financial risk. Financial risk is any threat that hampers financial growth and companies' profitability. All companies face financial risk from the factors that are out of their control. FRMs determine the risk by analyzing financial markets and global environment to predict the changes and trends. FRM then develop strategies to counteract the effects of potential risk. Even though banks and investment funds are the one most keen on managing financial risk, almost every sizable company in every industry would very much like to do so as well. If you are someone who likes to make sense of large chunks of data and enjoy running multivariate regression analysis, then you will just love FRM curriculum. But at the end of the day, all of the math is just a tool to achieve the ultimate goal of quantifying and managing the risk. This is what FRM is all about. We understood what is FRM. Now let us see who conducts the FRM course. Global Association of Risk Professional GARP issues the professional designation FRM. FRM is a globally recognized certification. After one completes this course, he or she can be called as Financial Risk Manager or Certified Financial Risk Manager. There are quite a few another risk certifications like Professional Risk Manager, Chartered Enterprise Risk Actuary, Canadian Risk Manager, etc. GARP is having 1,50,000 members in 190 countries and territories. Now let us see who can do FRM course. There is no minimum qualification for FRM course. Anyone can register for the exam. Even an undergraduate or a final year student is eligible to give FRM Part 1 exam. Course emphasizes on exam and practical knowledge. This is the roadmap of the course. First, you need to register and schedule for the exam. Then you need to prepare for the exam. After you prepare, pass the FRM exam part 1. Then take FRM exam part 2 and clear it. Then you need to submit 2 years of work experience. After you complete the whole process, you can be called as Certified Financial Risk Manager. Now let us see each step in detail. So the first step is registration. To register the course, you need to go to the GARP's website and enroll there. While registering, you are required to pay fees too. FRM Part 1 registration fees is enrollment fees of rupees 400 US dollar and exam fees of 750 US dollar, which is standard fees. But if you pay early, then you are required to pay only 550 US dollar instead of 750. FRM Part 2 exam fees is also 750 US dollar, which is again standard. And if you pay early, you need to pay only 550 US dollars. Study material is not included in this registration fees, but you will get e-books. Now, how to prepare for the course? You can purchase material online for FRM Part 1. FRM Part 1 includes 4 volumes. Number 1, Foundations of Risk Management, Financial Markets and Products, Quantitative Analysis, Valuation and Risk Models. On registration, you are provided e-books which can be accessed 3 years online via web browser and 2 years offline via desktop or mobile. While FRM is a self-study program, one can take assistance of exam preparation provider. In-person or online classes are available by various exam preparation providers. You can see the list of these exam preparation providers on GARP's site. It's like register and you can go for tuition to any classes. Besides that, GARP also provides application for preparation of exam. Now, exam part 1. It is a MCQ based exam which is having 100 questions. Exam focuses on tools to access the financial risk. It is computer based exam which is conducted in May, July, November every year. You need to schedule your exam after you register for the course. Candidates who register but not schedule their exam or schedule but do not take exam must register again and pay full exam fees. Scheduling is available on the first come first served basis. For upcoming exams, last day to schedule is provided on the site for every exam. Exams are offered in English only, which is specifically American English. Now coming to the exam part 2, it is also a MCQ based exam having 80 questions, but it focuses on application of tools acquired in part 1. It contains market risk measurement and management, credit risk measurement and management, operational and integrated risk management, liquidity and treasury risk management, measurement and management, risk management and investment management, current issues in financial markets. This is the syllabus of exam part 2. FRM exam process is sequential. One must pass part 1 before they take part 2. If someone takes part 2 exam before passing part 1, for example, say both the exams are taken in same month and if a candidate fails in part 1, then part 2 marks will not be graded. Candidate must take and pass part 2 within 4 years of passing part 1. Now scoring and results. Passing scores are determined by FRM committee. Candidates will receive quartile results comparing their performance to other candidates. Exam results are pass or fail are emailed approximately 8 weeks after a candidate takes the exam. Pass rate for November 2020 exam was FRM part 1 45% and FRM part 2 was 59%. 2 years experience. Now, application to submit the work experience can be completed online. Work experience submitted cannot be more than 10 years prior to having passed your FRM exam part 2. Candidates has 5 years to submit their work experience after they pass FRM exam part 2. If not, then they have to enroll for the program as a new candidate. What kind of job roles a FRM can get? Now, FRM person can get following types of jobs. It can be a risk analyst, risk manager, credit risk analyst, market risk analyst, regulator risk analyst, operational risk manager, chief risk officer. Here are the name of top 10 companies employing the certified FRM. Here are the top 10 global banks employing the FRMs. Thanks for watching.